going over here to the convention center to pick up our load. The paint on the lines here was so faint I couldn't tell it, and there's no sign up here that tells the 2 right lanes are turning right. So we're gonna have a hard time making this right. So we're gonna run over here to this, try to pick this show load up. See what the docks look like. If it's not bad, we won't have any difficulties and no need to film. But if we got time to set the cameras up, we will do so. You know. So we will see if we got time or not. Come on, light change. Turn the camera on so you guys can see some of Vegas. So we gotta go turn around on Tropicana and then go left to on Koval. So yeah, we need that other lane. We're in the wrong lane. Let's see what these four-wheelers do to us. Alright, that car right there's gonna turn left, which that worked out great, man. Worked out great. Alright, now we got 3/4 of a mile to get back over in the left lane. Plenty of time. Look at here. Check it out. Check it out. Oh, look at that. I don't like that turn lane there. Look at that. You know, I notice people in Vegas, they don't drive, man. They're just really rude. I think the vast majority of them are probably tourists, I'm hoping. You know? And look how they're zooming around like a bunch of idiots. Alright, so we gotta go. We're looking for Koval. What you do it there, Dodge? Lane. Got a 1/2 mile. I can't find them, grind them. So I've been here before and walked all this crap. Sure have. Horrible place to vacation. I don't care if you guys live here or not. I don't like it. I don't like it. Everything's expensive. They call it Sin City. I believe it. Okay, enough rambling and ranting about all that stuff. I'm gonna run it. I'm gonna run it. Shoulda, woulda, coulda stopped. I was busy looking at other things when I saw that it was changing.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Koval Lane.
There's the Hooters Casino. I don't like these turn lanes at all, man. Don't like them. I think this is my road right up here. So this is a nice turn lane. Okay.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Koval Lane.
There's the McCarran Airport. Well, that's the one I went to that looked at the helicopter rides. Yes, it is. Down there's the helicopter place. They got some nice helicopters. I went there and checked it out. Okay, we got to turn left onto Koval Lane. Proceed past first traffic light and turn left into First Drive past light. Stage on the street. Alright, so as soon as we get in this left turn, we will get into the left lane. Beautiful. To have fun. Yeah, just turn left there, buddy. I tell you, man, people around here, they just drive however they want to. They don't have a care in the world about anybody else. Anyway, we on a rant today or what? Jeez, must have woke up on the wrong side of bed. Actually, I got up at like 2:30, you know. So I bet that Landstar truck up there is staged on the road. He's in my way. So hopefully we can get in there right behind him. Yeah, they said it was a mess because of all the construction and everything else. You know, hope I don't disturb you guys. Got to put these banners up here in the window so they know what we're doing. Oh, they made him go over there. Okay, this looks like this could be fun. Yeah, he's got a back across the road. So we're going to get right up here in the middle, Well, they got all everything blocked. I can pull up here and set up. I bet we'll get to do all that. Yeah, it looks to be really challenging. All right, let's go find our windsock. Let you guys watch this back up here. Yeah, he's too far to the right. He could have got run over right there. These cars, man, they just have no respect, you know what I mean? No respect. Wow, what a jerk. Landstar guy's taking way too long. You know? What about I put my safety vest on in case I gotta get out here and help direct traffic because they're getting stupid out here, you know? So, yeah, they're getting plumb stupid. Anyway, this dog looks to be like, it looks to be rather fun. Fun getting in there. He's got plenty of ground crew though. Now I'm gonna go check this out. Why people around here are so rude, man? Crazy, you know. Can't be lying if I said I wasn't nervous. Okay, Landstar truck's leaving too, so maybe he's sir.
That's where you're going to pull into.
Beautiful, thank you. Yeah, that makes it a lot easier. They had me going into that first hole right over there, but that was not going to work. I mean, there's moments that there's no traffic, you know, and you catch the brake, but I'm almost in his way because I pulled up. Then we're getting ready to back into the inside dock, so I'm in his way for him to make that right turn. So like right now, the traffic's kind of light coming toward me. So it's all about catching it, right timing, you know. Because these drivers out here, man, they are jerks, you know. So, oh, good job, Landstar. See you next time. And we are off. Got the ground crew come on. I got the ground crew. Alright, y'all gonna hear a door check because I gotta open my door. See where she's going. See around the wall, can't see where that truck's at over there. Oh yeah. Oh, country. What's hard when you can't see over there? What's that? Sorry, am I good?
Yeah, you're good. You're good. You can take either space. If you want to park next to that one over there, you can.
Okay. Just gotta watch.
Yeah, I think your best bet is to get the space next to the two trailers over there.
Okay.
She said you got a big ass
Yeah, she's long. Yeah. Okay, is the pole up there? I mean, they would just let you hit her, you know what I mean? Thank you. They would just let you run over whatever, you know? I need to pull up one more time here. Yeah, beautiful. We almost got it. We'll have to clear that trailer back there and yeah, people don't understand the turning radius, you know. So we didn't get up and under in time, so now we're gonna have to blindside it. How are we looking?
Bring it back sharp a little bit. Right now you're right at the corner of the trailer. Pull forward. Straighten yourself out and you'll see it. There you go. Back one. Keep going. Okay, you're good right there.
Now pull up.
You're going to need to pull forward again, but now you'll start to see it. You got a good line. There you go. Now you'll see your line. You got it?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You got your line?
Yep, thank you. Oh, yeah, now I see it. That old stretched out frame sometimes can big old long hood. Of course, you got to be able to drive too, right? No driving, son of a gun. I think we're there. A bit of a joke. I want to straighten the truck up though. Just didn't like it, guys. Just didn't like it. Alright. Now I like it better. We're going to go load this wagon. Hope y'all enjoyed that embarrassing show.